From a handful of almonds every morning to premium dry fruit gift boxes during festivals, dry fruits are deeply woven into Indian lifestyles. But here's something most people don't realize. Behind this everyday habit lies a multi-billion-dollar business opportunity. As Indians become more health-conscious, dry fruits are no longer seasonal luxury items. They've turned into daily nutrition essentials, consumed by kids, professionals, fitness enthusiasts, and senior citizens alike. Backed by rising disposable incomes, a strong shift toward natural and clean foods, booming e-commerce, and a growing premium gifting culture, what makes this business even more powerful? Low perishability, repeat purchases, brand-building potential, and export demand. From local sourcing and bulk trading to premium D2C brands and corporate gifting. For entrepreneurs, this creates a rare opportunity. A business that combines high demand, repeat consumption, strong margins, and long-term scalability. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Who is the target audience for a dry fruit business? Market research and analysis with growth trends, marketing and sales strategies that actually work, financial planning, setup cost, and profit margins, funding and investment options available in India, company incorporation and legal requirements, documents you'll need to get started, and finally, how Market Research Universe can help you launch and scale this business successfully. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRUnavigator for Business Planning. MRUnavigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. The dry fruit business in India serves a very broad and growing customer base. Health-conscious urban and semi-urban consumers, parents buying nutritious food for children, fitness and diet-focused individuals, hotels, bakeries, sweet manufacturers, and restaurants, corporate buyers for festive and premium gifting, e-commerce and quick commerce platforms, export buyers from the Middle East, Europe, and Asia, and investors looking for stable FMCG and food brands. The best part? Dry fruits are consumed across all age groups and income segments, making demand highly consistent. Market research and analysis. Let's talk numbers and growth. India is one of the largest consumers and importers of dry fruits globally. The market is rapidly shifting from loose, unbranded sales to packaged, hygienic, and branded products. In the year 2025, the Indian dry fruit market is valued at around $9.2 billion. By 2032, it is expected to reach $16.8 to $17.2 billion. At strong CAGR of 9%. Key growth drivers include rising health and immunity awareness, increasing disposable incomes, growth of e-commerce and quick commerce, premiumization and gifting culture, high demand from bakeries, sweets, and food brands, and export demand for Indian-packed dry fruits. Major segments include almonds, cashews, raisins, walnuts, pistachios, dates, and mixed dry fruits. Brands like Hapilo, Farmly, Nutraj, and several D2C startups are scaling fast, proving that the opportunity is wide open. Marketing and sales strategy. To succeed in the dry fruit business, branding and distribution are everything. So, here's what you need to focus on. First, your branding strategy. You want to position your brand as healthy, premium, and trustworthy. It's important to highlight quality sourcing, freshness, and hygiene. Also, don't forget to focus on nutrition benefits like immunity, protein, and heart health. Now, when it comes to sales channels, you should consider wholesale and distributor networks, modern retail stores and supermarkets, e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Flipkart, and quick commerce platforms such as Blinkit and Zepto. Plus, having a direct-to-consumer website, targeting HoReCa and institutional buyers, and even exploring export markets can really help expand your reach. For promotional tactics, think about influencer and nutrition-focused digital marketing, festive gift packs and corporate hampers, and subscription-based monthly dry fruit boxes. Sampling in gyms, societies, and offices is a great way to introduce your products. And of course, maintaining a strong Instagram and content marketing presence is key. In this business, brand trust drives repeat sales. Financial planning and profit margins. Now let's talk money. A small to mid-scale branded dry fruit business typically requires an investment of around 50 lakhs to 2.5 crores, depending on your scale. Here's a rough breakdown. For raw material and inventory, you're looking at about 20 to 80 lakhs. Sorting, roasting, and packaging machinery can set you back by 15 to 60 lakhs. Packaging and branding might cost you 5 to 15 lakhs, while warehouse and storage needs could require 10 to 40 lakhs. Licensing and compliance is usually 2 to 5 lakhs, and marketing and distribution can range from 5 to 20 lakhs. Now, speaking of profit margins, a trading model usually brings in about 12 to 20%, branded and packaged products offer 25 to 40%, and premium gift packs or flavored variants can go up to 45%. Typically, you can expect to break even within 18 to 30 months. Once your brand gains traction, this really becomes a high-repeat, high-cash flow business. Funding and investment options. Funding options are quite accessible in this sector. Bootstrapping works well for trading and small brands. When it comes to bank and MSME loans, you can explore MSME term loans and working capital loans, as well as CGTMSE collateral-free loans and Mudra loans for micro setups. There are also several government schemes available, like the PMFME scheme for food processing units, MOFPI subsidies, state-level food processing incentives, and export benefits via APIDA. For external funding, angel investors are interested in D2C food brands, while venture capital is available for scalable FMCG brands. Strategic partnerships with retailers and distributors are another route. Food brands with strong unit economics are highly attractive to investors. Company incorporation and legal setup. To operate smoothly, legal compliance is essential. The best structure for growth is a private limited company, but smaller setups can start as a proprietorship or LLP. Mandatory registrations include GST registration, FSSAI license, UDIM MSME registration, import-export code for imports or exports, trademark registration, weights and measures registration, and the shop and establishment license. Supporting documents required. You'll need identity and address proof of founders, company incorporation documents, FSSAI application and product details, warehouse or office agreement, supplier and vendor contracts, financial projections and a business plan, and import-export documents if applicable. How Market Research Universe can help. Launching a dry fruit business isn't just about buying and selling. It's about strategy, pricing, branding, and scale. That's where Market Research Universe, or MRU, comes in. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now, time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mirdul and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 80 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh program in market research and business consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I'm also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRUnavigator. Now this is India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course through this platform our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success. Okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days. Okay, after that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that, or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to continue with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.